Hello Polygon Matic holders, how are you my friends? Hope you're fine now my friends. You can't believe these changes occurred in the Polygon Matic. Unbelievable my friends. Unbelievable changes occurs in the Polygon Matic my friends. My friends, before starting this video, before showing the changes of the Polygon Matic, I request everyone to please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos my friends. At this time my friends, you can see here that the changes occur in the Polygon Matic is positive. You can see here that now the last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 70 changes occur in the Polygon Matic is positive. So that's really a great news for all Matic holders my friends, because the whole changes is positive, and if the changes is positive, that's mean that the Polygon Matic is in the pumping mode and the price start increasing my friends. Absolutely, if we talk about the price of the Polygon Matic, so at this time price of the Polygon is 1.15 USD dollars. That is the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic my friends. And my friend, that is just a beginning. The huge pump of the Matic is coming soon. You have to hold. If you want a high amount of profit from a Polygon Matic, so you have to hold for a long time. That's how you can get a good amount of profit from a Matic. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like Matic holders my friends, and also subscribe channel for more updates and news videos my friends.